Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB. So far on this Jeep, we've added new wheels and tires, and I'll have that video linked down below. Today, I wanted to show you a simple accessory that'll make you a happy camper if you're hauling around a lot of gear in your trunk. This is the Joytutus Jeep Wrangler JL trunk mat. Let's see what this mat is all about. Stick around. We haul around all kinds of stuff in the back of this JL, many times making quite the mess. And for being one of the most rugged and capable SUVs in the world, I can't understand why Jeep would put a carpet in the trunk. Never quite understood that. Certain things like mulch and rock will get stuck and embedded in the fibers of the carpet. This can make cleaning it a difficult task.
3 hours later.
No bueno. This mat is a better way to take charge of your trunk. It's precision engineered to fit every curve of your trunk space. It even fits perfectly when I shut the tailgate. Now, if you are one of those ones with a subwoofer here in the back, you could trim off this excess panel right here to allow more room for this mat to fit. Or you could keep it up like this so that way no grit gets in your subwoofer. The dimensions of this mat are as follows. At its widest point, it looks like 44.5 by 33 inches. I would say on its lowest sections, it's probably about a 1/4 inch thick, and then on the ends, it's about a 1/2 inch thick. It also has a nice tread on the bottom that's not too rough and keeps this mat in place. This mat has cutouts for all 6 of the trunk floor hooks. This makes anchoring my gear a breeze. It's got an all grip, no slip, waterproof surface, and is even super durable. And without the mat there, I worry about this trunk board. With this mat in here, it gives me an added layer of protection and toughens up my trunk. This mat is even flexible enough to be rolled up and tucked away when necessary. Cleaning is a breeze. Even at its dirtiest, it comes completely clean with a little car wash soap and dries fast. Ready just in time for your next adventure. And speaking of adventure, this top design kind of mimics the last expedition you just took in your Jeep Wrangler. I love the pressed off-roading look. That looks awesome. These channels do trap mud and water into these easy to clean pockets, keeping your carpet clean and clear and under control. Easy installation, easy to clean, and easy on your cargo. This protective trunk mat offers a lot of peace of mind. Well, Garage Gear guys and gals, that's a good hard look at the Joytutus Jeep Wrangler JL trunk mat. For more cool Jeep Wrangler videos, check out my links down below in the description. Know someone that needs a mat like this for their Jeep? Then please share this video with them and help me grow this channel. And don't forget to follow me further at garagegearjb on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, give me one of these. And if you are feeling the vibe and you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe so that way you can stay up to date with everything going on here at Garage Gear. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.